In this quick tutorial video, let me show you how to search by location on AngelList or WellFound. If you're specifically looking for a job inside of a particular location, you do have the option of adding it in. Inside of the job section, make sure you first of all add in the correct job title. And then on the location side, you do have the option of adding in the location. Now, there are also other things that you can do inside of the location section. You do have the option of adding in the remote jobs or only searching for remote jobs if that is something that you're into. If not, and if you're trying to go into a location, then make sure that no remote jobs are selected. And then you can add in your exact location. If you want to be precise, you can add in a niche location, or if you want to have a bigger result, you can add in sort of a broad view or a broad location so that most jobs pop up. So that's the exact way that you can search by location inside of AngelList or WellFound. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.